So today we have with us a pair of Jordan Stay Loyal 2 trainers. But before I get to showing you these trainers, I want to call in a favor. I want to ask you all to stay loyal to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you are notified of any future video uploads. Now back to this black box with the golden jumpy person on it. Now we're not here for the box, so let's slap the box to the side and drop them Jordans from the front, the side and the back. These show the symptoms of Jordans. But let's do the diagnosis. You can pick these up in various different combination of colours. Check the Nike website and you'll see what different combinations are available. Now coming to the bottom of the trainer, you've got the famous Jordan logo here. You've got two different colour combinations. I quite like that. Red and black go together very nice. You've got the zigzag design for the grip. And if you put your hand across, there's some good friction on there, so you'll have some good grip. You've got the dents here, which are not too deep, which is good, because if you get dirt in here, you're able to clean them. And the bottom sole just hugs around the bottom of the trainer. On the side, you've got quite a few things going on here. You've got the famous number 23 here from Jordan's jersey. You've got leather here. You've got the shiny material here. And you've got this fabric here. Now, these three materials are going to be very easy to clean. If you get dirt on these, it's not going to be a problem. You've got Air Max right in here with the famous bubble on the back, which also goes on the other side. You've got Flight written here on the shiny part. Now, my opinion is that both the Air Max and the Flight should have been written in red. It'll just make the trainer look better, stick out more. You've got a little tag here with the Jordan logo on it, which in my opinion looks really nice. But what I don't understand is why they need to have padding here on the outer side of the shoe. At the front, you have some red leather here. Nice touch. And the grip, it doesn't come up as far as some trainers. It stops here and it goes all across the front. Now, wow, look at that there, that white piece. This across here is the glue from the trainer and it can really be seen. That's not very impressive. At the front here, it also says Jumpman. Again, should have been red, would look better. Coming slightly up and having a look at the laces and the design and the way they are structured on the trainer. They are very similar to your normal day-to-day trainers. They are threaded from the outer side, which in my opinion, I don't really like. I would prefer them if they were on the inner side and they were hidden away. So there's more of the outer part of the trainer which is exposed. Another thing I don't like is up here is the Jordan logo. It's in black, it's the same as the material color at the back. If that was in red, it would really make the trainer look a lot better. On the other side, again, you've got the same combination of materials. You've got the leather here, you've got the shiny material here, and again, you've got this fabric here, which again, easily be cleaned, so not an issue. You've got three Jordan logos here, which look nice. At the back, there's a bit of leather here. You've got the Jordan logo at the bottom of the trainer and you've got this pull tab here which makes it easy for you to put your foot in. Now if you just have a look at this section here, this design is almost like a sock design for the shoe. So I think you could probably wear these without socks, and there's a lot of padding on the inner side here, so it'll make it really comfortable. But I quite like this design. But the only issue with this is if you're a lazy person and you don't like fasten your laces, so you just leave your laces fastened all the time and you want to put your foot in, it does make it that little bit harder to put your foot in and it takes slightly longer, but not a very big issue. The only difference I can see on both the trainers is that left one has the jersey number 23 here and the right one has the Jordan logo. Now let's put these shoes on and see how comfortable they are. Now all I've got to say is when it comes to impressing, these trainers do really impress. Now the inside of the trainer is very comfortable. The inner sole, if you push against it, feels a bit hard, but when you put your foot in it, it's very comfortable. I have no complaints about how comfortable these trainers are to wear. Now the two things I like about these trainers firstly is the comfortability. When I wore them, they were very comfortable. The second is the color combination that is available. I really like this black and red. The two things I don't like are, which I mentioned earlier, the laces being on the outer side. I would have preferred them if they were inside and they were hidden. And the second thing I don't like is that this writing here which says Flight, this Air Max writing, this at the front which says Jumpman, and this black logo, I would have preferred them if they were in red. I think the trainer would have looked a lot nicer in my opinion. Now in terms of the season which these trainers can be worn in, you can wear these in any season. They've got breathable air holes all around the trainer on the side here, and this material and also this material here is breathable material, so in the summer it won't be an issue. Only thing I would recommend is don't wear them when it's really muddy, because you don't want to get such nice trainers dirty.